This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
One I have found is RIMS, Ranchi.
No, I have one. I have something to Devghar. But I have something more to say. Kindly takes the PM report once.
Yes.
একটুখানি দাঁড়াও, এত উতলা হয় না। This is the PM report from. এটা একটুখানি আচ্ছা, একটা কপি আছে? না না, ওটাই আর কিছু না।
Yes.
Kindly first takes the
Other matter release, yes. The release টাকে ঠিক করুক আগে। Other matter release.
Kindly take the column first, the external appearance, left. The condition subject stout. Has your lordship got? Second box from the top, left. Has your lord? Dead body of male subject, such and such, mixed rigor notice is passed off and the body is in early stage of decomposition. This is the first observation. Now, lordship kindly takes two, cranial and spinal cord. Just the bottom one, just below that. The scalp and the vertebrate. The scalp decomposed, skull and vertebrate intact. So, as far as the scalp, this is the skin portion, not the bone. Bone is intact. Only the scalp portion is decomposed. Now I would go to the brain part soft. Now comes down to the hyoid, the thorax portion, larynx and trachea. Left three, thorax. Third from the left, the larynx and trachea. Decomposed. It is not the hyoid bone which is said to be decomposed. It is What is Kindly takes bottom. My lord, the nomenclature is given mucous membrane. Only the mucous membrane is decomposed, not the bones. Hyoid bone and thyroid cartilage intact.
এত যদি বলছে come to 11.
Yes, I have seen.
Genitals, they are all decomposed.
But I have seen.
Genital decomposition taking.
The doctor, we had taken clarification from the doctor. He says that by saying decomposed, he wants to corroborate with his initial observation, which is at the one external, the early stages of decomposition. His stage says
it makes more suspicion, my lord. This more suspicion.
This is
why, my lord, they are so, my lord.
Wait. Let him.
This is not a case where there was any external injury found, either on the body of the person.
I'm not on that, sir.
Well, I understand. What is passing through your lordship's mind?
My mind, I'm telling you. See the series of events which has been narrated by you.
Yes.
You called this person on 16th.
Yes.
So this person was live available to you on 16th.
Yes.
Now on 20th also a dead body was brought. On 19th night.
Late night.
And 20th this again came back.
Yes.
So where is the question of decomposition coming in?
Well, the question is as per from the investigation, it transpires that the person was person passed away more or less around the noon or the morning of 19th.
Then also, my lord, 24 hours.
Around 18 to 19 hours after.
Rigor notice, my lord, discharge 24 to 48 hours.
After 18 to 19 hours, the person was brought.
Where? Why did they take away the body then?
The complainant took away the body. The prisoner took away the body.
Then brought dead?
Yes.
Now, then why did you, on the basis of what did you go for postmortem? Why did you go for postmortem?
Well,
Broad date, why did you go for postmortem? Many persons die
yes.
in the hospital. In every case, you don't go for
No,
postmortem.
because the complaint was received by mail regarding a specific case that
When?
After.
yes, after
Then,
After the postmortem, we lodge a complaint.
but may I
anyway, let it
but
for us.
may I say only one thing?
Yes.
The chain of events at least and the documents which we have been able to collect do not indicate that there was any physical assault on the body of the deceased.
Question now remains is that how much is your infrastructure available over there to assess regarding the postmortem, sir? Very difficult because you see skull intact. Not only you say only MM is decomposed.
Yes.
I'm leaving. Huh? Skull is the last part in postmortem where anything can happen. Even if a firing is done through skull, also that movement is found from one part of the skull to the other.
The skull is intact.
Skull is intact, but the
Scalp, only the skin portion.
skin portion is decomposed.
Well,
So
the doctor says, well, I had a talk with him. He says that by writing decompose, he intends to corroborate with his initial stance or the
I
indication
have
that
no issues regarding that. But the
early stages of decomposition,
But
not decomposed
but-
completely.
but if date was 19 hours ago, this is what again once you make a mistake, the series comes out. Genital decomposition, what
Not
will be there?
decomposed, but early stages of decomposition.
Where did the body lie? What is your investigation saying? Investigation commence কবে?
And investigation next day.
20 তারিখ. So already 15 days is over. What is your investigation saying that where was the body actually? Where did the person die?
At the home of the person.
At the home.
Yes.
And then decomposition. হয় নাকি কোনো?
34 years old boy, 34 years. I could
Why is that?
understand. He's a
At
blood
the home of the person. Well, the
old man.
person was, well, we have material to show that he was under the influence of alcohol on regular basis.
So 34 years.
Even if that is so, within one day, you're over
Only the
here.
external parts, only the membrane or the skin, these have started to decompose. And the main part is liver. Liver was affected.
No, maybe he has died. I am not taking you. Investigation is going on. I'm not touching the investigation. You prima facie have registered a case of murder.
Yes. But this should not have been a case of murder.
Whatever.
What are you saying?
Once
This
you-
should not have been a case.
whatever it is, sir. Culpability, as a court of law, now I have got to see the other things round
Well,
vis-a-vis both.
yes.
Somebody's relation has died, whatever it is.
Well, I acknowledge the emotions of the,
Not only emotions, the subsequent, once you have registered a case,
yes.
then you have got to put in your efforts for finding out the
Definitely.
truth. He's saying that, saying I'm not on that. But prima facie, if this is the standard of writing in a postmortem report, then this is too much misleading for the court to come to any opinion, sir, as if nothing has been done. Although you see, first you should have taken a harsh step immediately when the body was taken away. At
But that
9
has
o'clock.
come to our notice during investigation.
But they-
From the-
The CCTV footages are
Yes, are there.
Sir,
Are there.
immediately 201 তো
Yes.
কেস আরম্ভ করে দিতে হবে হতো
Yes,
ব্যাপারটা, না?
But I also had a talk with the higher officials also.
But you are this is messing up, sir. There are certain things. Maybe at the end of the investigation, you acquit everybody. I mean, discharge everybody. That's something different thing. But when you are doing a murder case, you have already taken steps which are not very convincing to me. Also, regularly we are dealing with these cases. এটা সেকেন্ড পোস্টমর্টমে না পাঠানোটা খুব ভুল হবে, পরে আর কিছু করা যাবে না, because there are conflicting opinions within the report itself, sir. Within the report.
Only the nomenclature or the wordings used regarding decompose.
Sir, we are not scientific experts. So prima facie, what we understand at a first glance of the report, we have got to accept that this is the. Now, if that is, there is a difference, what your police understands by this, prior to speaking with the doctor, sir?
They should have sent it for the second postmortem.
It was their duty. He is correct on this.
They should have sent it for the second.
They should not have been satisfied with this, sir. 18 ঘন্টা 19 ঘন্টার মধ্যে সব ডিকম্পোজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এটা হয়? আমরা দেখিনি একদিন।
Rigor mortis ends from 24 hours to 48 hours.
My lord will then kindly indicate
কোথায় পাঠাবো?
that I cannot.
কোথায়? ওই বর্ধমান?
But I'm telling your lordship, the place which I have not just now
Kindly
that Deoghar aims is 250 kilometers and our aims is 230 kilometers. Any place your lordship can say.
kindly peruses this, though your lordship has indicated this is a clarification from the doctor. Kindly peruses once. We had raised certain queries. He has given a clarification. Good. Karan.
अरे भाई चलो
Where is the body now actually?
Hospital.
Pursuant to your lordship's direction, your lordship only said preserve it.
You go for a second post-mortem. He has given clarification which may be useful in course of investigation, but let a second report be come over here. Because see, once you have decomposed body, very difficult to do post-mortem also. Let me accept his contention to be correct. Decomposed body, post-mortem, you require much more expertise, I have seen.
Second page is for the scalp.
These are explanations.
Yes,
Sir. Why
these are
should-
explanations. Subsequent. He says these are not unusual findings.
No, findings may not be unusual. See, you have raised the question.
I
what?
would only say that this is a wrong choice of words.
No.
Wrong choice of word.
One is this. So, you would think regarding a set of circumstances placed before you, an incident, a person died. Let us accept the prosecution case to be correct. I'm not relying on
This is not a prosecution case. Prosecution as 103 is there.
No.
This has come out in
No, facts
Yes,
of the
facts.
prosecution case.
Yes.
19th in the morning hours, somebody died.
Yes.
The dead body is brought to the hospital. You say whatever it is. There are two possibilities. When the first time the dead body was brought, that it was people were under the impression he was alive. That is why the body was brought. Or in the alternative, his condition was such that they were not sure. Still, they brought the body to the hospital. These are the two possibilities. Now, with that body, will there be decomposition? You tell me.
The autopsy or the postmortem report says that the time at which the postmortem is being conducted, the death could have been at least 18 hours before.
Then also.
সেটাই তো বলছি আমরা বারবার।
Then also second postmortem is required. In hours.
If it is so, these wordings, though, he doesn't know how to fill up the form
Yes.
actually.
Another thing, at the time of inquest, the petitioner was present. The petitioner had identified the body. There is a videograph that at the time of postmortem he was present and he had videographed that yes, it is my brother. So
No,
with
I'm
regard,
not-
no,
I'm
no,
not-
they had alleged.
That's how the story
They
has
had
got
alleged.
But whatever they are saying, I need to check it up. I shall come up with your
But
lordship.
I have
No,
entire
whatever you
video.
say, that is not the gospel truth.
Here it is written, Shaman Kumar is the brother of the
Yes, yes, petitioner.
Yes. But at
অতটা
all, whether
অতটা ভুল লিখবেন কিন্তু যেটা মেইন পার্টটাই মানে এমন ভাষা ব্যবহার করেছে
Yes, that is a
Yeah.
wrong choice of words. Wrong choice of words.
wrong choice of words very detrimental to a prosecution case.
Sir,
ওরা তো একটা জাস্টিস চাইছে
No,
মেবি কারেক্ট
I cannot improve upon, but my lord, for the wrong choice of words,
It's not a wrong choice of word. This will go automatically throughout the trial, sir. This is a natural death. And I'm telling you today, if I leave the matter and if you come to a conclusion that no case is made out, which you are going to basically. Huh? So fact remains, they will be left with no other
no
option.
other option.
এবার কোথায় পাঠাবো সেটা বল
34 years old, he died because of drinking.
এই যে কি সে আর কি করা যাবে সে অনেকের অনেক রকম দোষ আছে মিস্টার দত্ত ওয়্যার
কিছু সাজেশন আছে বলুন।
পাঠাতে তো হবে
Kalyani also, 350 and 350, 230 and 250.
কল্যাণী
230 kilometer, 250 is that
from where it is 230 from where it is
from
coming
Purulia to this part.
230
Purulia to this Kalyani Aims.
পুরুলিয়া তো
Now, Durgapur they will come
নদিয়াতে তো ঢুকতে হবে এদিকে
through
কল্যাণীতে
Durgapur, then Bardhaman, then they will reach this part.
আরে দিস মানে আসলে
Kalyani.
নদিয়াতে তো ঢুকতে হবে they have got to enter নদিয়া
From Bardhaman there is a route to go to Kalyani. Your lordship knows that. Guskara side, from Guskara that route.
এমস কল্যাণীকেই দিয়ে দিচ্ছি
Aims Kalyani.
যাবে
I
আসবে
will kindly indicate that because of this observations.
No, no.
I will just give a second postmortem.
There is only second
I will not say anything. Right now, I'm not commenting whether this
opinion. Their
Thi-
second postmortem should
this
be done.
postmortem is correct, incorrect. Findings, I'm not going into that totally.
I will not make any observation.
I'm not making any observation. I'm just for ends of justice. I'm considering this to be a second postmortem is required, but I'll just observe that.
Another portion of my prayer, it
My
remains.
lord, there is another thing, my lord, just kindly. My lord, at this stage when the postmortem was conducted and after the postmortem being held, my lord, the body has to be handed over to the nearest ones. Our doctors had prepared this report for handing over. The challan was prepared. They signed the challan, accepted the body, thereafter left. I have documents in the case diary itself.
Milord, these are all Milord to fill in the blanks.
Then it's a video recording.
Yes, yes, everything is being
Fill
videoed.
in the blanks. Milord, we shall come up with that. regarding the
Entire
investigation
CCTV
part.
footage has been
We
stored.
come up with the
We
investigation part. What you have done. we know that.
Date-wise, time-wise, everything done.
Yes. We'll come up with that also.
This is simply
Any unnatural
Mountain
death
out of
in
a
West
mole.
Bengal, either alcoholic or womanizer. These are the
This-
constant stand of the Milord, the
this
state
is
of.
only a mountain out of a mole.
Yes, we'll see. Don't worry.
Should have been in a proper form, sir.
And I accept that wrong choice of words. I accept.
No, but side, who will override the wrong choice of words
Yes.
of doctors?
I
A court
cannot
will not,
improve
a court
the
will not
choice of words.
A court will not do that,
Yes.
sir. Number one. Number two is that neither the sometime or other the contrary opinion has to be taken by the court if it goes for trial or anything like that. At this stage, when the body, because see, other cases I have not allowed also. There are cases where I have not allowed second postmortem when I'm sure regarding the. But here I'm not feeling confident regarding the doctor may be having experience. But experience of working and experience of expression are two different things, sir. We are not seeing the body. We are only seeing the report only. this report which is before us, does it inspire confidence? You tell me. I have nothing to say. মানে এদের মামলাটা যেরকম করেছি যে দিন আর একটা এটা ওই এমস কে দিয়ে দিই। এমস কল্যাণীটা এখন নতুন হয়েছে, ভালোই করছে। They are good. They won't differ with you also. If the finding is correct, they won't differ.
The question is not of differing.
I have found
Few
it
cases I was appearing. Your lordship has found the finding came.
in a Murshidabad case. I
Yes,
gave it.
yes.
They put in 2-3 queries, but concurred with Murshidabad. Nothing happened.
Here,
He
the
was
question
appearing.
of contrary view cannot be taken. I have, I would
You are not
rather not.
medical expert, so let us.
There is a possibility, sir. There is a possibility. So, because maybe the doctor's understanding of things is correct.
Expression may be.
Expressing-
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Uh-huh.
That is what is passing through your lordship's mind, and I fully understand and appreciate that.
চলে আসুন এটা। Yeah. Having regard to the stage of the case and
Much yes.
the findings of the doctor, in addition to the grievance expressed by the petitioner and the reservations expressed by the state, I am of the view it is only for the ends of justice a second postmortem be allowed. Full stop. Such second postmortem be conducted at AIIMS Kalyani. Full stop. The body of the deceased be produced before the
Director Ames.
director body nahi naki.
Well, I'll just give the designation. Just now you had this one. This is the person.
এটা কে আছে? ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ কি ফরেনসিক এন্ড এক্সট্রা থাকবে একটা
Professor and head
হ্যাঁ,
of forensic.
প্রফেসর এন্ড হেড অফ দ্য ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ ফরেনসিক মেডিসিন এন্ড টক্সিকোলজি, এইমস কল্যাণী।
Family members should accompany them. The body.
They will run away, sir.
No, she will not run away.
Actually, the brother ran away. It is shown in the
That
video.
is their case.
It
That
is shown
their
in the
case.
video.
Maybe you might record a confessional statement against the brother. That's why he ran away.
Mr. Dotto, main problem created by your officers. Once that dead body was brought back over there in the hospital, those persons should have been arrested.
Whether it is
This is where arrest is required at the initial stage. You give the leniency, you face the consequences now. There are certain circumstances when you work, no, you can't be human. I could have been human with you right now, but I'm not. This is the only reason.
There were agitations, road blockades, whatnot.
ও অনেক দূর চলে গেল।
obviously it's a police lockup. You beat up someone.
আচ্ছা কি হলো? আজকে কত তারিখ? আজকে 4 তারিখ।
Hmm.
5 today they go back. 7th morning, Thursday morning. 7th morning is all right, na? By 7th of morning, by 7th August 2000, by 11 o'clock on 7th of August 2025. 7th is all right. 7th 11 o'clock is all right.
Yes, yes.
Acha, Gallo, who will accompany?
Brother, the petitioner himself.
The petitioner will accompany. Full stop. The petitioner will accompany along with 2 family members. Full stop. The investigating officer would take aid of police personnel as it deems fit and proper. Full stop. Let the second postmortem be carried out at AIIMS Kalyani by on 7th of August 2025. Full stop. A report be produced before the court on কত তারিখ? না না, অত তাড়াতাড়ি 10th রোববার দিন।
Well, AIMS has to be directed to place the report before the
হ্যাঁ,
investigation.
a report would be produced a report be sent to the investigating officer of the case, and a similar report would be placed before the court along with any query which arises from the concerned autopsy surgeon or any other doctor of AIMS Kalyani who would be associated with the postmortem. List the repetition 14th রেখে দিচ্ছি, 14th list the repetition on 14th of August 2025. কি হেডিং আছে আজকে? Forwarders at 4 p.m.
Just one line, the body will be identified by the family members. Kindly record that also. At AIMS.
আচ্ছা, ওইখানটা একটু ঢুকিয়ে দেবেন, ওই যে ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার যাচ্ছে ওখানে যেটা আছে, who will identify the corpse.
The identification has been done.
Huh?
Once the identification
What is the harm? I don't know.
once the identification has been done.
So what is the harm?
This petitioner to
Yes.
so fresh identity.
No, let it be. I don't know what is the harm.
That will be done by the investigating officers. See, same body, এবার body change করে দিলে আমি তো মুশকিলে পড়ে যাবো।
No, but I'm saying the body will be identified by the present petitioner before AIMS Kalyani. That's it.
The IO will be also there. They must
So
consultate that.
company name. I have no problem. Can I record that also?
So that would be for the doctors to decide. Why should I record that, sir? There is already a recording over here. Whoever is there now, you cannot avoid the investigating officer because he will be the main person
Yes.
who will be the communicating
Yes.
joint between the
Right,
AIMS
right.
Kalyani and this court. So he will identify what is the difficulty, sir. You are accompanying. If you have any objection regarding the corpse, you raise it over there. I'm
Not
giving you
about
liberty.
the cops.
Yeah.
But I have, with due respect, I have doubt regarding whether the exact body was placed before the
That's a corpse. So,
Yes.
So you raise objection over there.
lordship.
হ্যাঁ, তো কিছু আমি কি করবো এখন? এটাও দিয়ে দাও, আর কিছু পড়ে নেই তো দিয়ে দাও এখানে। হয়ে গেছে, আর নেই কিছু, তাতে হয়ে গেল তো। মুরগির কাল মামলা আছে।
Or only one thing, as per your lordship's last direction, case diary has been produced.
আচ্ছা, case diary has been produced on behalf of the state. The same is returned to the learned advocate appearing on behalf of the state. শোন, এতদিন একটা ভালো মামলা পেলো ময়ূক না? আগে মামলাটা কাছাকাছি এনেও করতে পারলো না, প্রত্যেক দিন করছে একটা করে অবজেকশন করছে। হ্যাঁ,